Setting up a custom domain in System.io allows you to personalize your funnel or website URLs for branding and professionalism. Follow these steps. Purchase a domain. Obtain a domain from a registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other domain provider. Access System.io settings. Log into your System.io account. Click your profile picture and select Settings. Navigate to the Custom Domain section. Add your domain. Click Add a custom domain. Enter your domain name without the www. System.io will generate DNS records, including a CNAME and TXT record. Update DNS records. Log into your domain registrar account. Locate the DNS management section for your domain. Add a CNAME record. Host or name. Use www. Value or points to. Paste the provided System.io URL. Add a TXT record for verification. Verify and activate. Return to System.io and click Verify once DNS changes propagate. After verification, activate the domain and set it as your default.